Hi, I'm Keiji Kamigusa. If you're using a cloud AI services right now, I need you to consider something. Governments have already ordered leading AI models pulled overnight. With no warning, hundreds of millions of private conversations have been leaked from chatbot platforms. Major services going down for 10 hours or more, leaving users with nothing. When your AI runs on someone else's server, you don't control it. They can change the terms, they can raise the price, they can shut it down tomorrow. And every word you type or speak is sitting on their infrastructure. This book teaches you the alternative. Build your own ChatGPT-like application that runs entirely on your MacBook, using Olama for local language models, MLX Whisper for on-device speech recognition, and the Streamlit for the web interface. And you will have a voice-enabled AI chatbot with no internet connection, no subscription, and no data leaving your machine. This book is going to be helpful if you are a developer prototyping private tools for a regulated industry, a professional handling sensitive client data, a student who wants to understand how AI actually works, or simply someone who is tired of depending on services you cannot control, like me. This book is for you. What you build is yours to keep and adapt. Private voice chatbot assistant, a local study partner, a document-aware chatbot, the foundation for your own product. No programming experience required. I'll guide you from zero. Let's build an AI that no one can take away from you. Thank you.